Quantum technology promises to be as transformational in the 21st century as harnessing electricity was in the 19th. And at Q-CTRL, we are pioneers in the discipline of quantum control engineering, looking to make this field useful. The fundamental challenge facing quantum technology is decoherence and error, the instability of hardware against interference from the world around it. This is the Achilles heel of this technology.
Fortunately, you can use quantum control to mitigate these noise effects and get rid of them entirely. That's what we do here at Q-CTRL. We've demonstrated that you can use quantum control techniques to get a factor of 1,000 improvement to quantum computing performance. And similarly, we've shown that you can boost the sensitivity of quantum sensors when deployed in the real world by a factor of 100. What makes us really unique is our focus on making these quantum control techniques really easy to use using our software.
Together as a team, we deliver the solutions that make quantum technology useful, all through our expertise and our singular focus on quantum control.